Paano nga ba ma-approve sa Toyota financing ng Toyota? Meron akong 3 tips para sa inyo. Hi, I'm Derek Lee, Toyota Marketing Professional. First tip, requirements. For employed, Certificate of Employment, 2 government IDs. For business, DTI registration, 2 government IDs. For OFW, latest contract, proof of remittance, return ticket, 2 government IDs. Second tip, kailangan mo ng co-maker. Pwedeng asawa, kapatid, magulang, anak. Third tip, bank statement. Pwedeng savings or payroll account. Tandaan ng 3 tips, requirements, co-maker, and bank statement. Case-to-case basis ito ha, depende kung may additional pang requirements. For questions, you may contact me here. And please, follow, like, and subscribe for more topics and tips about Toyota. Maraming salamat po!